Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sorry. It's afternoon. Good afternoon, children. Yourself. Your audio off. Put your audios off. Hurry up, hurry up. I can see 17 children. Put your audios off. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Once you wish your teacher, please put your audios off.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
It's afternoon, 12 o'clock, 12:15. It's afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Today we'll be doing distributive property. Today we will be doing distributive property. Last time I did commutative and associative property with you. Today we will do distributive property.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hurry up. Hurry up. So children, are you all preparing your concept which are being taught earlier? Chapter 1 is prepared.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes,
Please
ma'am.
prepare
Yes,
chapter
ma'am.
1. Next week I'll take your test.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you all have test in your computer exam? Computer exam में test हुआ था
Yes.
बेटा?
Ma'am, yes.
You have learned how to open, you have learned how to open Google Form.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
How did ma'am share? How did ma'am share? She shared.
Ma'am, through link.
Ma'am, give that link on the chat and then
In the chat box.
Okay.
and we pasted that
Ma'am,
on
she
the
gave link in the chat box. Ma'am, please आप भी एकदम ही test दे दो.
Beta, you cannot talk together like this. I think I have to take control from you. Put your audios off. Raise your hands. Then I will ask you. Put your audios off. Aradhana. Aradhana. Do we have Aradhana in our class?
Ma'am, yes.
Aradhana, put your audio off. Audio off. When raise your hand, then I'll ask. हाँ, Shaurya, बोलो. Shaurya. Shaurya Khanna.
Ma'am, give that link on the chat box. Then we copy that. Then we paste it on the Google. That
So
link.
you all know. So you all know how to paste the link.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, very good. Very good. Children. So next week, I'll tell you the date. 2, 3, 4 days before, I'll take test on chapter number 1.
मैम प्लीज आप भी एक डमी टेस्ट दे दो ताकि हमें थोड़ा क्लियर हो जाए कैसे आएगा.
Dummy test need will be a fair test. Why do you need a dummy test? Dummy test you have done in computer class. Dummy test you have done in computer class. It will be a fair test. From chapter number 1, 20 marks MCQs. Okay? I can see.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
29 children today start the class.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, there are 30 participants.
29 children. including me, they are 30. Including me, they are 30. Aradhya is joining now. Hurry up, beta. Hurry up, children. Hurry up. Okay, I'm starting the class now.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I am going to start with distributive property. Listen to me very carefully. And raise your hand in case you have query. Only after raising your hand, I will be allowing you to speak. Please don't start like this and keep your videos on. I hope you all know during your test also, you have to keep your videos on. You have to keep your videos on.
Ma'am, yes.
Very good. And there's a time limit also that during the Zoom class only you have to finish that test. During the Zoom class only the test needs to be finished.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'll be able to know that who all are doing in what way. No help to be taken from anybody. No help to be taken from anybody.
Excuse me, ma'am. What would happen if we do not complete the test on time?
The time duration is given
Cancel.
according to your class. Whatever time needed is needed for class 6 child. I will be putting that much time. It means that you are slow. So you have to keep your speed at some particular level. If you are able to do it, means you are okay. Am I clear?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, on which day the test?
Next week I'll tell you. Before Friday or today is Thursday. On Friday or Saturday I'll tell you. Okay. Let's start with this. Let's start with this. Can you all see the PPT on the screens? Show it by thumb. Show it by thumb.
Yes.
Okay. The topic, you all know the chapter name is whole numbers.
Yes.
At the end of today's class, all of my students should be able to use distributive property of multiplication over addition. No need to write this, just understand. समझना है बेटा आपको, you understand this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. And identity for addition and multiplication I have told you. Now let's start with distributive property. No disturbance from the back, please. Keep your audios off. Audios off. Otherwise, the whole class will be disturbed throughout. Until unless I ask you, you will not unmute yourself. Until unless I'll ask you. I'll raise your hand. I'll ask if you have query. Or distribute. When I'm explaining, please focus on the slide or whatever I am showing you. The property says if wait. What is distributive property? It means to distribute something or give share or part of something. Now what happens when नहीं लिखना है बेटा, नहीं लिखना है, इसे समझो. सिर्फ समझो. Now multiplying two addends by a number will give the same result as multiplying each addend individually by the number and then adding the products together. I'll show you with example. With example, it will be very clear. I'll show you with example. Who will join late? Harjap is joining right now. Harjap, quick beta, hurry up. Quick. Put your audios off, please. Don't start talking amongst your. Lot of disturbances coming at the back. Lot of disturbances coming at the back. Who is this? Yuvraj, put yourself. Your audio off, video on. Yuvraj, can you hear me? Yuvraj, put your audio off. Audio off, please. Yuvraj, otherwise I'll remove you. I am removing you if you'll not put your audio off. I am removing you. Put your audio off. I am getting disturbed. Chaitanya, audio off. See, unnecessarily you people are creating problem for yourself, for your friends. Yuvraj, still you're not unmuted you, muted yourself. I am just removing you. Now, you can see here 3 into 2 plus 3 is going to be same as 3 multiplied with 2 plus 3 multiplied with 3. Can you all see this 3 is being distributed to 2 also and 3 also? This multiplication 3 is multiplied with 2 also and 3 is multiplied with 3 also. I'll show you a general example also. Like whenever we have A into B plus C, means A is any number, B is second number, C is third number. This A is distributed to B also, A is distributed to C also. And in between we have plus symbol. Okay? Now look at the example. Suppose we have to solve 20 into 12 plus 2. This will go as 20 into 14 if you solve, or if you solve like this 20 into 12, 20 into 2, you can see the answer comes out same. This shows that the distributive or the multiplication is distributed to both the numbers. Multiplication is distributed to both the numbers. Similarly for subtraction, if A is multiplied with B minus C, it is same as if I multiply A with B and A with C and subtract both the products. The answer will come out same. The answer will come out same. Any query to anybody? Any query from anybody?
No.
We will do many sums where we are going to apply this distributive property, and it will be very clear that time. Put your videos on and audios off. Audios off. Videos on. I'll not keep on repeating this thing. I can see who is coming late. Garvit Surana. I can see 33 participants at this moment of time. Now see the subtraction case. What will happen? Suppose I have to solve like this. What will happen? If I solve the bracket first, or if I solve one by one, the answer comes out same. This shows distributive property holds true. We will do according to the sum given to us. Sometimes we do this way, sometimes we do this way. Whatever gives you maximum zeros, it makes our calculations easier. It makes our calculations easier. Why do we apply these properties? To make our work easy. This is the aim of using these properties. Kashmi is entering now. Late, children, late. You need to be little faster. 12:15 is the class. 12:14, you all should be ready. Let's see some examples. I'll be showing some examples. We'll be solving using distributive property. Children will be solving questions. Now everybody should be ready with their pen, pencil and copy.
मैम स्क्रीन शेयरिंग चली गई. I'm not able to see the screen.
I have not put any screen. I am going to start with the screen now. New screen will be
Okay,
shared
ma'am.
with you.
Okay, ma'am.
New screen will be shared. Now you can see new screen.
No, ma'am.
Blank
Ma'am,
screen.
yes. Whiteboard. Ma'am, it is whiteboard. Ma'am,
Yes,
whiteboard.
whiteboard.
Yes.
Whiteboard.
You all can see
I'm ready
this
with it.
whiteboard where
Ma'am, we have to not write anything about distributive property.
you can note down afterwards if you want. I will send you the PPT. Right now, focus on the questions I am going to start with. I can see only 32 participants. Wait.
Ma'am, you have sent the PPT yesterday.
Wait.
Yes.
I'll share the screen again. And I'm going to see you people also side by side writing. Now I'm starting with exercise 2.2. Are you all able to see? Are you all able to see? Okay, then keep
Ma'am,
yourself.
yes.
Okay, children, keep your audios off until unless you have query. Just listen how I am doing. I'll be dictating the steps one by one. I am starting with question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3, A part. Question says 297.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
हाँ जी, आपको मैंने start sharing से पहले बोला है. Keep yourself ready. Why do you want to ask? मैंने आपको start करने से पहले ही बोला बेटा, sums को हम लिखेंगे ना सारे. हमने आपको पहले ही बोला है. Can you all see the question on the screen, white screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, 297 into 17 plus 297 into
3 into 3. Into 3. Now, two people have joined now, Drishti and Shaurya Nagpal. You will be so late, how will we start the class? Now, what will happen?
Ma'am, now
What
there
will
are
happen?
29 participants.
Wait. Please
Ma'am,
keep
ये तो
your
less हो गया.
audios off. Audios off. Only raise your hand in case you have query. I'll ask the child. Audios off. Audios off. Kabir, why are you again and again keeping unmuting yourself? Don't unmute until unless I ask you. Okay? Now, can you see 297 at both the places? Can you see children 297 at two places? What we do is we write 297 once, 297, and then put a multiply sign. Then we use a bracket and 17 in the first term plus 3 in the second term, like this. Look very carefully. What I did is I have taken 297 common. इसको बोलते हैं common लेना. I have taken 297 as common. This 297 is common, and what happened now? 297 multiplied with 20. You will see You will see 297 into 20.
5540.
20. What is
5540.
297?
The screen is blur.
Ma'am,
The screen is
540.
blur.
Ma'am, yes.
Is this fine now?
No.
Ma'am, the screen is blur.
The screen,
Ma'am, it is fine. Ma'am,
the
it is
screen
clear.
screen is blur for those who have internet with low bandwidth. The internet low bandwidth.
विराट ऑडियो तो खोल ले.
Now multiply.
Ma'am, the answer is 5940.
5940. Yes. 5940. Now we have done third question, first part. Now I am starting. I am doing the next part. Is there any query in this part? Any query?
Ma'am, there are how
Ma'am,
many
no.
parts of this question?
विराट क्या बोल रहे हैं? दोबारा बोलो.
Ma'am, there are how many parts of this question?
We'll do. Don't worry. Why are you worried for that? Don't unmute unnecessarily. Don't unmute unnecessarily. Raise your hand. I'll only ask you the queries. Otherwise, the class gets disturbed. I'm doing C part now. 265 into 169. Now the question is for subtraction. I have taught you both. Distributive property for multiplication as well as multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. Now the next sum, this sum is for subtraction. Can you see the subtraction sign in between? Raise your hand in case you have query. Now what is the common part here? Somebody will tell me. Shaurya Nagpal. What is common part here?
Ma'am, 81,265.
Okay, 81,265 is common. Now I'll do the cross multiply sign. I'll take a bracket. I'll write 169 left from the first bracket, then a minus sign, and then 69.
पहले चेक करूंगा मैं बाद में आंसर बता दूंगा.
Okay. Aradhana, mute yourself. Some of you have unmuted yourself and it is creating disturbance for others. Do not unmute yourself without my
The answer
permission.
is 8126,500.
Who is this? Please do not unmute without my permission. 812. Not like this. I'll take the control from you then. See, the aim of this distributive use of this distributive property is that we can do every calculation. All the sums can be done without rough column. Did you notice that? Otherwise, these are the big numbers. We cannot solve them without rough column. But with the help of property, I am able to solve them. I am able to solve them without rough column. Anybody's any query, he or she can raise the hand. I'll ask the query. I'll solve the query for the child. I'll ask Virat, any query? Ayan, any query? Ayan, any query?
हाँ फोन में तो बड़ी कम बैटरी है.
Speak again. Speak again, Virat.
मैम क्लास लेके बैठी हुई हूँ. अच्छा हाँ मैं तो सारी क्लासेस आरएसी पे लिया. तो क्या करूँ?
Who is this? Somebody is disturbing the class.
मैम काशवी.
Kashi.
काशवी परसों या.
Don't start talking with your parents or with your siblings in between the class. The whole class get disturbed. Kashvi, any query in the question? Put your video on.
No.
Video on. Any query in the question? Saksham,
No.
any query? Any query, Saksham? Saksham? Any query? If I have asked the child and child is not answering, then I'll remove the child. Saksham, कोई query है आपको?
No.
Okay. Now I am doing next part. Next part is little difficult. That's why I have chosen. Let's see.
But I'm doing next part.
Okay.
But it is.
Don't start talking bache in between. The class gets disturbed. Let me write the question. Then I'll ask you people, how should I proceed? Here, when I look at the question, I do not find anything common. But I have to use distributive part. I don't find anything common.
Your voice is very low.
My voice is low. You're not able to hear me properly, children.
Ma'am, no.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Ma'am, I
We are
have
not
an
able to hear.
answer.
Put your
Ma'am, I have an
audios
answer.
off.
Ma'am, no.
यार कौन सी आंसर्स यार
I think I have to put your audios off in my hand, otherwise you keep on speaking, class gets disturbed. I have to keep the audios under my control. Do not speak, children. If you all start speaking, the voice echoes. The voice echoes. My voice will not go to you. Now what we will do is, listen to me carefully. When I multiply first two numbers and when I multiply first two here, 769 into 225, I am getting the same answer. It is 1, 9. Who is this? Who is this?
Ma'am, Kabir.
Do not put yourself audio off without my
मैम
permission.
मेरा तो म्यूट है कोई भी बोल रहा है
तो आप अपने आप अनम्यूट नहीं करेंगे. How many times I will tell you this thing? All of you. Now what I am doing is, look carefully. 3845 into 5 I am doing, and I am keeping 782 as it is. Then from the second term, I am multiplying 769 into 25. Now I am giving you some work. Multiply the bracket terms. Somebody will multiply. One of you will multiply 3845 into 5 and tell me. Raise your hand and I ask the answer. 3845 into 5. Somebody will multiply and give me the answer. Let me see who can do the. Who is the first? Who comes first in this? Raise your hand. Virat, bolo beta.
Ma'am, 19225.
19225. When I multiply 3845, I get 19225, and remaining will be copied as it is. Now, what will happen when I multiply 369 with 25? Somebody from your side will tell, raise the hand. Virat, put your hand down. Put your hand down. Somebody from your side will raise the hand and tell me the answer of 369 into 25.
Ma'am,
Not like this. Raise your hand. Not Virat. Somebody else. Somebody else. Krishnendu, can I get the answer from you?
19225
Very good. 19225. I get the same answer, 19225. Then 218 will be copied as it is. Now this question has become the same question like the one we have done earlier.
ma'am, we have to common. Ma'am, 19225 is common.
782 plus 218.
My voice is not clear.
Put your audios off, my voice would be clear. 19225 into, what do we get when we add 782 and 218?
Ma'am,
Hiral.
can I tell?
No, Hiral. Dharya,
Ma'am,
you have to put your audio off.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Neelkant, bolo. Neelkant, bolo. Neelkant, 1000.
Ma'am, you asked me.
Somebody from your side only spoke. Doesn't matter. Chalo, it's fine. We got. Put your audios off, children. My voice will not go to you if you'll keep your audios on. Once I have asked the question, after answering, put your audios off. Put your audios off. Then you get, only raise your hand if you have query. I'll solve your queries. Krishnendu has some query. Krishnendu, bolo.
Ma'am, no, I was just telling the answer.
Okay, what is the answer you will get?
Ma'am, 19225,000.
Very good. This is the answer. Is there anybody in the class who has query in this?
Ma'am,
Is there anybody?
Ma'am, you have put 20 instead of 30.
Okay, we have to put 3 zeros. Yes. Wait. We have to put 3 zeros instead of 2. 3 zeros will come. 3 zeros will come.
Ma'am, I can't see this.
It may be your network a problem.
There's a problem of network at your place. There are 3 zeros. Instead of 2 zeros, we have to put 3 zeros. Children, keep in mind. 3 zeros would to be put. 19225,000 because we're multiplying with 1000. So we're multiplying with 1000. Now I need to change the board. Can I start? Can I change the board? If you have done this,
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am,
Yes.
I'll change the board.
yes.
I'll do one more part.
Yes. Yeah.
I'll do one more part. Now question number 4. A part. It is the other way round now. Now we have to write out of these 2 numbers. I have to write one number such that it becomes the sum of 2 numbers with a 0 also. Like here, both the numbers do not have 0. Listen carefully, children. We have to write 103 as 100 plus 3. 100 plus 3. We have to write 103 as 100 plus 3. Now, this 738 will be multiplied with 100 plus, it's the other way around now. 738. I showed you in PPT, both way the answer comes out same. It depends on the question given to us whether we have to combine the terms or we have to open them. Here we are opening the terms. And I'll be able to solve without using rough column. 7, 3, 8, 0, 0. Plus 738 into 3. Somebody will tell me faster.
Ma'am, 2274.
Who is this? Who is this?
Ma'am, Shaurya Nagpal.
Shaurya Nagpal.
2274.
Somebody also please check it. Please check it.
Ma'am, yes, correct. 2274.
Ma'am, yes,
You're not
correct.
audible.
Ma'am, yes, it is correct.
Children, do not unmute without my permission. Raise your hand. Ananya, are you getting the same?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या आ रहा है आपका बच्चे?
Ma'am, 2274.
2274. Now when I add these two numbers, you know we have to add from the back. I hope everybody knows.
Ma'am, 80574.
Wait. Again, somebody has unmuted without my permission. Children, you are not following my instructions. I'm really unhappy. Now I'm telling you how to add if the numbers are in this way. 0 and 4, 4. 0 and 7, 7. 8 and 2, 0. 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. And then 7. So who was telling me the answer? Who was telling me the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is 76074.
Yes, 7.
Yes, ma'am.
I have showed you in front of you how to add. And I got the same answer as you were telling. Please listen to your teacher first, how she is teaching. It will help you more, even if you know it. Class should not get disturbed. Everybody should understand this. I have to teach the whole class. Every child of my class, after the class gets over, should be able to understand. Now I have to change the view. Can I change? Can I change?
Yes.
Ma'am, yes.
I need to ask you few questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Number writing part is over.
yes, I have to ask some questions from you people. Somebody will tell me. Only the child whom I am going to ask will answer. How should we write 102 if I have to use distributive property? Vinayak will tell. Vinayak, how will we write 102 if I have to use distributive property?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
How will we write 102 if I have to use distributive property?
ma'am, now we have to not write.
No. विनायक जल्दी से बताओ मुझे.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear because you people are unmuting yourself without my permission. Vinayak, only Vinayak will answer. विनायक जी आंसर बताइए. 102 को अगर हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी यूज करनी है तो कैसे लिखेंगे?
102 को अगर
I am not able to hear what you are saying. Shaurin Akpal बोलो. Shaurin Akpal.
100 plus 2.
Very good. 100 plus 2. Now, next question from somebody else. Harjap. Harjap will answer. Harjap.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, how will we write 1008? 1008.
Ma'am, 1000 plus 8.
Very good. Now the meeting is about to finish. So you will be able to do the few questions at home also. Did you find the class useful, children? Did you all enjoy? You can show by thumb.
Ma'am,
Gaurav Khanna, Ashwini Prakash, did you all enjoy the class?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Very good. Goodbye, children. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Take care.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank